As one of Earth's ancient creatures, sharks hold a long-standing reputation as masters of the ocean. After 450 million years of dominating the food chain, overfishing, trophy hunting, and the inhumane practice of finning has put shark populations at risk. As a volunteer with sharks, you could help motivate local fishermen to embrace more sustainable operations and educate young people of the ocean's importance. Or carry out first-hand research whilst exploring the captivating world of sharks, helping to understand population and ways in which we can reduce the risks that they face. Become a guardian of the seas and help to rebalance our world's marine ecosystems. From snorkeling and freediving to open water scuba and even cage diving, there are so many exhilarating ways to participate all over the world. Get involved now and join us in working towards a healthier planet.